Hi guys! Welcome back to Bam Glam. My name is Layer Certified Budolera for all kinds of kaartehan. For today's video, na-share with you how I do my ultimate no makeup look. As in, no makeup look siya kasi hindi talaga tayo gagamit ng foundation. Without further ado, let's start. For this kind of look, it's very important to prep your skin very well. So I'm going to start with my toner. I'm going to use this one, the Cica toner. To use the palm of my hand to apply the toner. Kadiligo ko lang sa talagang totally wala pa akong anything on my face. After that, I'm going to use the Daily Glow. Ito yung gel moisturizer nila. Kasi ito yung gagamitin natin blush. So, I'll leave it on for 5 minutes muna and then I'll be right back. Tatanggalin ko na yung excess. Well, some of you might say na ba't di ko na lang siya i-spread sa entire face ko. Well, kasi hindi siya nagma-match dun sa other skincare ko. Parang nagbo-ball up siya kapag meron ako nito sa ibang parts ng skin ko. So, up next is I'm going to apply my sunscreen. I'm going to use Fairy Skin na sunscreen. Then, I'm going to apply a tone-up cream. I'm going to use this one from this is the Secret Glow from Her Skin. May SPF 30 na din to. Kita nyo yan guys, tone up cream pa lang yan. Tsaka yung the glow recipe. Ang lakas na maka-fresh. Grabe, diba? Pero syempre, dahil maarte tayo, at kailangan may mabudol ako sa inyo, meron pa akong ibang gagamitin na items. So, sabi ko nga kanina, kailangan well-prepped yung skin natin for this natural look. So, gagamit ako ng primer. Only on those areas that needs the primer. So, for this one, I'm going to use the Elf Poreless Putty Primer. Mostly sa T-zone area lang. And then, I'm also going to apply a mattifying primer. Ito yung Shine Control Primer ko, favorite ko. This is from NARS. Pero syempre, dito ko lang din siya i-apply sa T-zone. Now, totally wala akong gagamiting any foundation for this. So, ang gagawin ko lang is I'm going to conceal the areas that needs concealer. But before that, I'm going to apply highlighter muna. And I'm going to use this BYS Highlighting Stick. Actually, aksidente ko lang ito na-discover. Kasi, naghahanap talaga ako ng eyeliner. Alam mo yung mga shimmery eyeliner. Kaso, highlighter stick tong binigay sa akin sa BYS. Sabi sa akin yung sales lady, pwede rin naman daw. And then, it turns out, maganda pala siya guys. Kasi, wala siyang visible glitters. Sobrang fine niya. And on the tip of my nose. Sobrang blinding highlighter, but it will definitely going to give you the glow. So, there. Gusto mo rin na maglagay dito under brows? Pwede din, habang wala ka pang kilay. Mutan ko na kung magkano to, pero hahanapin ko online and then I'll just put it on the description box. Pero sobrang nagustuhan ko yung quality na to. Tignan mo, as in wala siyang, nakaswatch siya sa hands ko, kahit ilapit ko. Wala siyang any visible glitters talaga. Walang chunks of glitter. Ang ganda niya. So next is I'm going to apply another highlighter. This is the sample size of Saie. I don't know how to pronounce it. I really like this highlighter. Siguro pag naubos ko na tong sample size, I might get a full size of it. Medyo pricey kasi siya. Parang yung full size is around 2,000 ata. Yan. The reason I like this highlighter is because it gives you the glow, but it doesn't have any glitters. So, of all the highlighters that I've used, ito lang yung highlighter na talagang sobrang natural sa skin. Hindi rin naman siya bomb. Parang medyo gel kasi yung texture niya. Ang ganda niya. So now, I'm going to apply the concealer. I'm going to use this one from NARS, the Radiant Creamy Concealer. The shade is Custard. Dun lang talaga sa areas na kailangan. And then I'm going to use a very small sponge. This one is a beauty blender. Ito yung maliliit nilang sponge. The reason I'm going to use a sponge kasi I need precision for this one. Kasi gusto ko yung malalagyan lang talaga ng concealer is yung areas, yung targeted areas ko lang talaga. Ayoko matakpan yung highlighter na nilagay ko or even the blush. And then, dito sa eyes, as you can see, i-blend ko siya pa upwards. Pero I'm going to follow the waterline of my eyes. Pa ganyan. Pataas. Why? Because it's going to give you that lifting effect. Can you see that? Hindi man siya ganun ka-obvious, but if you compare, it definitely gives the lifting effect. I'm also going to apply a tiny bit of concealer around my nose, dun sa mga areas na medyo may shadows. By the way, I'm going to use NARS. This is their soft matte concealer, yung nasa pot. And the shade is also Custard. Apply a little bit sa mga blemishes ko. So, yun na yung buong base ng makeup natin. Now, I'm going to apply the powder. I'm going to use the Easy & Co translucent powder. Pero sobrang minimal lang talaga. I'm just going to apply it mostly on my T-zone. Especially dun sa areas na nilagyan ko ng concealer kasi we need to set those. And then under the eyes, I'll just apply a tiny bit of bronzer. This one is from NARS as well. It's bronzing powder in Laguna. Nalagay lang ako sa sides of my face para medyo magkaroon na ng onting dimension. And now for my final touch on my base, I'm going to use Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder. Kasi medyo natakpan na onting highlighter natin dito. Nalagyan ko lang siya ulit. The reason I'm using this highlighter kasi sobrang sheer niya. I mean, sobrang fine ng powder niya. Hindi rin siya ganun ka-shimmery. And once it melted on your skin, sobrang natural talaga na look niya. And now for my favorite trick, kasi hindi naman tayo naglagay na masyadong concealer. I'm going to apply it on the hollows of my under eyes. Dun sa areas lang na may lubog. I already made a video about this on how I conceal my under eyes. I'll just put the link below. So pretty much, I'm already done with the base of my makeup. Dito na ako sa eyebrows ko. Well, actually, wala naman ako masyadong gagawin sa eyebrows ko kasi I want it to look natural. So, I'm going to use this one from Focallure. Yung Fluff Max nila. The shade is number 2, light brown. Some people doesn't like this kasi it's not so pigmented eh. But for me, I like it. I like it that way kasi it looks more natural. And by the way, guys, my brows are already they're laminated. That's why it's easier to maneuver. Mas madali siyang lagyan ng ganito. This one is the K-Palette Real Lasting Eyebrow Pen. Nalagay lang ako na on the parts of my brows. And now for my lashes. Actually, my lashes are also permed. Optional na lang talaga kung gusto nyo ng mascara. Just maybe I can apply a tiny bit. I'll just apply it on the very base of my lashes. Like this. And then it will also act as a liner. Kasi it will give a little bit of definition. Hindi ko na siya talaga iwiwiggle palabas. As in, dun lang ako sa base maglalagay. As you can see the difference, this one yung mayroon sa base. And then this side is yung wala. Makikita mo na mas defined yung eyes ko dito sa side na to, diba? Now, after I apply the mascara, I'm going to brush it with this spoolie. Habang hindi pa siya completely dry. I'm not going to apply any eyeshadows na kasi I'm aiming for a very natural look. So I'm just going to apply a lip tint. I think gagamitin ko is from Etude Dear Darling Water Tint because it's the most natural looking tint on my lips. And then I'm just going to apply some gloss. I'm going to use this one from Fenty. Just a tiny bit. I'm going to use a face mist. This one is from from Fresh Skin Lab, yung tomato. So I'll just show a photo later under natural light para makita niya ang itsura niya talaga. Kasi right now I have a mirror in front of me kasi this is how I do my makeup talaga. I'm in front of my vanity. But I promise you, it really looks natural in person. And the fact that I also don't have any foundation on my face makes it look very natural talaga. See? So I'll see you again later. Hi guys, I am now back. So umalis kami like around 10:30 a.m. and now it's already 5. This is how I look na yung makeup na ginawa natin this morning. So, as you can see, okay pa naman siya. For me, okay pa rin siya. Nag-blot na ako ng isang beses lang. Actually, ngayon lang around just few minutes ago, nag-blot ako. Kasi the entire day, hindi naman ako nakapag-blot. So far, okay naman siya. And here's my photo sa under natural light. So, thank you again for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Kahit this is not my usual setup because actually medyo biglaan lang yung pag-decide ko ng pag-vlog this morning. But still, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye!